So, hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal mid-monthly reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 15th till the 30th of September. I'm going to tap into recent, past, current energies, and near future, and we will see the guidance as usual. Starting with the overall energy for the rest of the month of September 2024. It's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific. Whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Now let's see the overall energy for what we have Virgo people for the rest of the month of September 2024. This year is also about to leave us, okay? Only 3.5 or 3.5 months left. It will be 2025. My goodness, just realize it, hitting me hard. Temperance card. So you are going to be very patient with people, situations, things, and you are trying your best not to lose your temper, not to lose your mind, not to lose your shit, and being very patient, utterly patient with everything and everyone who's crossing your way in some way in your life, okay? And with especially with people around you, like they are pissing you off like crazy. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. We have the Three of Cups. Now, in the recent past, I do see you trying your best to connect with family, connect with friends, connect with people who were helping you to come out of a situation, or trying to help yourself by keeping yourself busy with good things, good people, good situations, good connections. Now, let's see in the current situation what is happening, Virgo. We have this Hanged Man. Right now, you are in a still position. You are right now in this energy of trying to see things, people, and situations from a different perspective. Some of you are going through some kind of spiritual awakening kind of a deal, and you're trying your best to just stay calm, stay positive, stand still. By the end of this month, King of Cups, a lot of love. Either you are going to feel it towards something or someone or somebody else, or maybe it's about self-love. Let's clarify these cards. Let's clarify the Three of Cups in the recent past for you guys. We have the Four of Cups, the Six of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords. You were disappointed by something or someone, and there was like a lack of equal give and take of energy in a particular situation, in a particular connection, in a particular relationship. It could be a work situation, it could be a love situation, it could be a friendship kind of a deal. Take it how it resonates with you. And you tried your best to restart that chapter with clarity, with utter clarity, with utter understanding, with utter truth, okay? So you started a chapter of your life where you were disappointed with clarity, with truth, and with this understanding that clarity and truth is the only thing, clarity and truth is the only thing that can bring the situation back to normal. Now, it was in the recent past. Now you're standing still, not moving there, not going there. You're feeling like stuck in a particular situation, or you're trying to see things from a different perspective, from a different angle, with this understanding that things and people and situations change, but you're trying to remain calm and positive. Let me clarify the Hanged Man. We have the Ten of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, Six of Swords. We are moving on from a particular person or situation that's not serving you anymore. There is an ending or breakup or separation, or there is a chapter of betrayal. So you are feeling defeated in a particular direction, and you now see that there's nothing left in that direction anymore. So you are moving on towards calmer water. At the same time, you're standing still. It's like physically you're moving on, energetically you're standing still, because somewhere deep down you're still stuck to something or someone, but this something or someone is kind of changing you in a very positive way spiritually, and you're moving on towards calmer water with a lot of lessons and blessings and understanding. You're not the same person as you used to be, Virgo. If I'm going to see this Virgo today, and I had seen you like maybe 2 months ago, you are not the same person. You have drastically shifted from being something else to something else in a very positive way, because of the things and the lessons and blessings that you have gone through. Now by the end of this month we have the King of Cups. Let's clarify the King of Cups. We have the Temperance, the King of Wands, the Knight of Swords. I do see suddenly out of the blue, when you will be just doing your own thing, suddenly out of the blue someone or something is going to show up in your life, like suddenly unexpected, sudden unexpected message communication, sudden unexpected growth in a particular direction, where you're kind of feeling not hopeless. You're feeling like, yeah, you know something is going to happen, but it's not going to happen right now, so it's going to happen in the coming future, but it's going to happen when you will be least expecting it to happen, if it is making any sense to you. And I think it's related to your love and relationship area. Some also so something or someone is going to show up when you will be least expecting it to show up in your life, and because you will be doing your own thing, you will be happy in your own world, you will be in this busy in this self love, self care, self healing kind of energy. Something or someone is going to show up in your life, and the universe is going to be like, okay, now Virgo is doing his or her own thing, now Virgo is busy and happy, now let's bring something that Virgo wanted at some point of time. Now I don't know what that is, but it is some kind of sudden message communication, sudden kind of unexpected kind of news, positive news that you are not expecting right now, but you know it's going to happen at some point of time. But you will be in this energy of, okay, it will happen when it is going to happen, I'm not going to care about it anymore, then boom, it is going to happen. So sudden unexpected message communication, or good news coming towards you, or action coming towards you from somebody who is kind of not doing anything about a situation anymore. Now take it how it resonates with you. It's not all about love and relationship area, it could be something else, might be a work situation, might be a job or visa situation, or might be something else, I don't know. But you know it's going to happen, you already know that this situation, this message communication, this document or whatever it is going to come towards you. You are being very very patient, you are going to be in this energy of, okay, whenever it is about to, whenever it's bound to happen, it will happen, so let me chill till that time. Let's see the guidance for you guys for the situation for the rest of the month of September 2024, honey. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Strength card, and the Nine of Pentacles. Keep moving forward, keep moving forward, do not lose your patience and your hope. Okay, be independent, be strong. Your job, your career, your money, your independence, your freedom, everything about you, you should be the center of attention of your own world. You should be your number one priority, and show the courage and the strength to the universe that you got your lessons, you got your blessings, and you're not going to repeat the same cycles or same situation again, and you are good to go. Okay, so show the universe this power and this courage and this strength, and the universe is going to bless you in so many ways that you will be amazed. Okay, so don't look back, whatever happened, just keep moving forward with love, with patience, with happiness, and boom, everything will be falling into place just like that, because you will be in the high vibrations. Okay, so I do see high vibrational Virgo in the coming future. That's really cool, very cool. I'm so proud of you. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.